do that.
Getting better. Much better than this.
I'm going to start this one off by saying that I'm going to build my own sim for Assetto Corsa. So it was my birthday in December, and Mitchell, there's Mitchell. Say hi, Mitchell.
Hi.
Mitchell got for me for my birthday a Thrustmaster T300 setup for the sim. Wayne had a mad old school Recaro sitting around. So, and we have like an old frame with some metal and, what is it, RHS or whatever you call it.
And your piece too.
Yep. Sitting around, so I'm going to be put to work to grind and weld for the first time and put together my own sim frame. So, be a bit exciting. And then I can hop on and do some AusDC virtual comps, which I'm looking forward to. I've helped in a couple to like judge and do like second commentary and stuff. But yeah, I've really wanted to get on there. So let's do it.
It's a beautiful day. Oh, bat flattery. Lucky you.
You helping, Toyo? You helping us out, buddy? Oh wait, it's already down.
It's really down. Nice. I tried not to move, but I had a piece of spattergun under my knee. Okay, lift it up, on.
Thank you, boss man.
Wanted to please my friends, but it felt like the end of myself. I was shut down and I drained out. I was lost, so I had to change. I shook off all the bad vibes, cut me.
Scratch my hair out of this thing. Is that alright? Yeah.
Yeah. Got this handbrake. Now we're just gonna start coming off the side from the gear shifter bracket. Wayne's making up the template now so we can mount the gear shift and the handbrake next to each other and in the right spots, and then we can bolt it on, paint, and off we go. Alright, here we are, guys. Update on Cressy for 2023. Cressy body needs a bit of love. We had a bit too much fun on the last few events. Alright, tints off because we need to be able to see. And under the hood, well, that's a whole nother story. We need a bit more power. So we're going to work on that. So you're going to see me out there with the chaser for a little bit while this Cressy gets some love to bring some better drifting. Looking forward to it.